Alright, so I've decided to open my second boost fat pack. I bought 3 fat packs. I wanted to keep 2 of them unopened, hoping that maybe I could sell them in the future. But I couldn't resist, so I opened my second one. Hopefully I picked the right one. So I'm keeping one of them sealed still. One of them sealed. But I'm going to open the other one. Hopefully I picked the right one. My first one really sucked. I got maybe 1 Tango Land, a Dragon Guy Mythic. Didn't like him. Open this one. Hopefully would like to get an Expedition. But I do not think that is going to happen. Maybe Obnixilis or Gideon. Either way, I just wanted to open it. And I kind of needed full art lands. More full art lands. I got a pack of 80 of them already, but I need more. Because I have so many decks now. Anyways, let's open these. If I get something good, if I do, I'll post it. If not, then I won't. So let's see what I did. I'm just gonna go straight to the rares, because I don't care about these guys. Oh, yes! Well, almost already better than my first one. Yes, sir. And Mountain. Fuck that. There. I really like this guy. He's a good uncommon. I like him. Alright. Second pack. Come on, Expedition. Swamp. This fucking thing. Yeah, I have a playset of these. Buy 3 of them from pre-release packs. That is how much I hate this card. Same one, oh, same guy. This card I like too. It's like a crappier Inquisition. Oh, exiles it. Whatever. Oh, so Island. I need islands. I'm probably gonna play this card in my sacrifice deck, but still a dollar rare. Oh, it was looking good. Oh, some good. I'm getting good uncommons. Next pack. Mountain. Disappointment. This and the Phoenix I was hoping I would not get as a mythic. And usually you're guaranteed maybe 1 to 2 mythics per fat pack. This has to be freaking one of them. Now I am doubting whether I open the right fat pack. I'll probably end up opening my 3rd fat pack instead of selling it in the future, but whatever. Sanctum of Ugin. Island is better than this, but whatever. Only 4 backpacks left, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 packs. Alrighty. Token. Swamp. Nyan. This guy that would only see play unlimited. The only thing that can redeem this is obviously an Expedition. Gideon. Or that champion guy that everyone likes that I don't. Ooh, a foil rare. Interesting. And oh my god. Would you look at this? Seriously? Seriously? Oh. Go on island. Fuck, I'm gonna rip this freaking piece of shit. Did not even hesitate to rip that. I hope it goes up in price. So it'll put me in my place. Ooh, foil anticipate. That is nice. Even though they reprinted it and the price of it probably went down, but still. Always like foils of blue cards that are played. This guy, I don't even know what he does. Oh, it's a really good card, limited. I think I dropped my last pack on the floor. Maybe that's the lucky one. Okay. Please redeem it, please. Octopus. Mountain. Let's see. Let's count these up. Let's see. So foil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I ripped one, which I'm really proud about. 7. Did I miscount? Oh. I think I opened my 9. I'm probably acting so stupid right now. Okay. Fuck that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The one I ripped. I should have 2 more rares. Oh, that one. 8. 9. Disappointment. I don't know if I should open my other fat pack. I am proud. I do like these 2 cards. I like the smothering. It breaks. Well, my luck ran out.